So earlier we were using this method, index method, and it is giving me the first index of the character. Okay. So time complexity of finding a character in the list will be order of n. Suppose we want to find out the character D, and D is present as the at the last index. So we have to iterate through all the elements in the list till we find the D. So we are iterating through all the elements in the list. So it will be time complexity will be linear. It will be order of n, where n is the length of the list. Okay. So we have imported time it, and we have a list. This list has 1 million elements, and we want to find out 99 lakhs 99,999 elements. So this will be the last element in the list, and we are trying to find out this element in the list using the index method. So it will take a lot of time. So if I run this program, then this method will iterate through all the elements in the list, and it will try to find out the value 99 lakhs 99,999 value. So it will find this value as a last element in the list. So it will take a lot of time. So we can have this whole time, our time, into the time variable, and we can print the time variable, how much time it is taking. Time variable will have the time, how much time it will take to find out the this value in this list, 110 million or 1 million list. Okay, and we are printing the time. Let's run this program and see the output. So it is taking 6 seconds. Okay, it is taking a lot of time. So what index method has done, it has optimized the solution. It has optimized the thing. So what index method has done, we can provide a range. So see, we are starting from the zeroth element, and we are going up to the last element in this list, and we are trying to search this 99 lakh 99,999 element in the list from first number to the last number. So what we can do, we can give a range in the list. From this range to this range, you have to find this element. So we can have time to equal to. Okay, so what we are doing, we are providing the range here. We have a list of 1 million elements. In this list, 1 million elements are present, 1 million numbers are present from 0 to 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, so I'm starting. So I want to find out this number, 99 99 lakh 99,999 number, and from I will start from the 99,000 9 lakh 99,990 number to up to 1 million. So I want to find out this given number, this number between this range. This is the start index, this is the end index. So I want to find out this number into this range only. Okay, so it will take lesser time because I am giving the range. It is equivalent to like this only. This range is equal to like this only. Suppose I have a list equal to. So suppose I have a list, this ABCD, and I want to print the index of a. I want to print the index of ls.index of C character, and suppose I want to find this index of C character, and I don't want to iterate through the whole list. So what I can do, I can give the start index. One is start index, start from the one index and iterate till third index only. You don't need to iterate from start from the first index. You don't need to go to up to the last index. I am saying iterate start from the index 1 and till index 3 only. So it will start from the index 1 till index 3 only, and it will find C at the index 2 itself, and it will break from here itself, and it will give me the second index. Let me run this program and show you the output. So 2 will be printed. So similarly, I am giving the start index. This is my end index. So I am saying find this number from this start and between the start index and end index only. So it will take lesser time. So if I print my time 2, okay, let's execute this program and see the output. So 2 is quickly printed because we have very short list. and this is taking too much time because we are iterating through the 1 million elements, so it took 6 seconds, but time to taken only 0.0000 seconds. Okay, because we are iterating through the 10 elements only. We have given the start and index, so we are iterating through the 10 elements only. So time to will be very less because we are trying to check this number between the 10 elements only. Okay, so this is how we can optimize our index method to find a list of a character between the start and index. Okay, I hope you understood it, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel.